How to fix audio problems in your Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can fix any type of audio errors on our Windows 11. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, we are going to run through some of the checks on this video which can help hopefully solve your audio issues. First of all, I'm going to simply open Windows on my device, and then I'm going to simply open Device Manager. So go ahead and type in Device Manager and then open the Device Manager panel on your Windows, and after you do that, on the top left hand side you will be able to see an option called Audio Inputs and Outputs. I'm going to simply open this toggle, and then here you want to simply select any of the microphone external input or output devices which are not functioning properly. You want to right click and then simply tap on Update Driver and then select Search Automatically for drivers, and then go ahead and update, disable and enable the drivers again in order to see if your audio problem has been fixed. Now for most people this solution is usually going to work, but if it doesn't, the second solution we can simply do is, again, we are going to simply tap on the Windows button and then we are going to open Settings. And as we open Settings, here you want to make sure that on the left hand side you are on the Systems tab, and once you are sure you are on the Systems tabs, on the right hand side you want to simply go to the option called Sound. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on Sounds. As we tap on sound option right over here, you will be able to see many options. Now you want to scroll down to the advanced section, and here you'll find a button which says Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems. On the right hand side you want to make sure whether you're having issues with your output devices or input devices. Go ahead and simply tap on output or input. Here it will ask you to run a quick scan, so go ahead and simply tap on yes. If it asks you for a quick scan, it is going to run through some of the common fixes on how you can fix audio issues on your computer. Now if this solution worked for you, that's perfectly fine. The final thing we can do is simply update our Windows 11's OS version. So on the bottom left hand side of the screen you will simply be able to find this Windows Update button. Go ahead and tap on the Windows Update button which you see, and on the top right you want to simply tap and check for updates. Now remember that even if there is an optional update available, simply go ahead and update all of the updates which are up to date, and because an update is usually going to fix all of your driver issues and especially the audio drivers issues which you are facing on your Windows. So go ahead and update and see if the issues have been fixed or not. So we hope one of these solutions may have worked for you. If it did work for you, make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.